What begins with officers identifying a black striped Charger quickly explodes into a full-scale Atlanta pursuit. The suspect doesn't hesitate. Once the 1080 call goes out, every second becomes a tactical race of speed, positioning, and control. With units coordinating in real time, this chase is about to test how far both driver and officers are willing to push it.
Orange Charger with the black road in strike, George 28, San Frank Column 6230, SFT 6230.
So my stop is going westbound at Hill Street, orange sedan, 22 Georgia. Tom Frank David 7037, GFG 7037.
427. 1080 Atlanta, 1080. 304, 1080.
016. Atlanta.
Stand by, you guys are pretty check. No news on 4. Our Elder is going to be in front of me. We're going to be 20 westbound coming up to the connector. Come here, 20 westbound coming up to the connector. Taking Windsor, taking Windsor. Clear, taking Windsor.
No, straight ahead.
Straight ahead.
Okay.
20 westbound, just got back home from Windsor. 20 westbound, just got back up from Windsor. Taking Lowry. Peter, taking Lowry. You're on Lowry, what's the call street?
Now the pressure spikes. Officers temporarily lose visual, and that's one of the most dangerous moments in any pursuit. Hesitation can mean escape, but overcommitment can mean disaster. Then suddenly, the suspect bails. In seconds, this shifts from vehicle pursuit to armed confrontation. Commands get louder, adrenaline surges, and one wrong move here could turn deadly. Would you chase blind or hold perimeter?
I think we lost visual. We're going to be 20 at, or Lowry, give me 1 second for a call.
That intersection for a second. I didn't see anybody speak through it. So. Yeah, I got off at the 1-4 Lowry. I'm saying I'm right behind you. I was at that intersection blue lights where y'all came out and I didn't see anybody.
Police Street was the one that you were at, 895. That was you. Cross Street.
I'm a shoot. Stop! Stop! I'll fucking kill you! I'll kill you!
I got you.
Don't wait! Don't fucking wait! I'll shoot fucking back! Hey! Quit! Stop!
Capitol Avenue, 6 Cross Street, first control corner.
Even after the foot pursuit chaos, this isn't over. Officers are now fighting disorientation, trying to re-establish location while coordinating across multiple units near Capitol Avenue. This is where communication becomes survival. Every lane call, every direction update matters. One missed turn could reopen the escape window. Would you flood the area fast, or slow it down for containment?
Alam ko sa kanya sa coffee.
How's y'all follow me? I'm trying to figure out how to get 20 more reps.
You out with 795.
786 out, we're going 95.
This is where coordination wins. Units lock down lanes, communicate clearly, and avoid chaos as the suspect's options collapse. From high-speed pursuit to custody, this takedown shows how discipline and control can end a volatile chase without unnecessary escalation. If you enjoy real police breakdowns like this, hit like, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more intense pursuit analysis.
Selena, you'll start hero for us, please. Tell them we need the right lane. Crossing over the connector.
Clear. I-20 East crossed over the connector. Troopers 10-4.
What's up, what's there? 10-4, 10 on top one now.
Clear, y'all make them at 39.
Yes, simple.
So, yeah, suspicion's back 1039, violators in custody, 920 East at Capitol Avenue, 0033.
What the hell is that? 76, about 2 minutes away.
What do you got?
Now silent lane. You show me 10-8 with no action on that. 10-38.
No.
920 Atlanta. I'm 1095, 1 male, 1055, 10% ready to refuse, has 0032 hours, 0032 hours.
Okay.
One call 5121900. Call 5121900. Make sure it's from that same vehicle.
Ten-4.